YouTube, is your boy Rob on the 2018 Honda Goldwing DCT. I need to wash this bike, it's getting dirty. My first ride of the new year. Came over here to Coyote Power Sports, northwest of San Antonio, to pick up a air filter for the Super Tenere. And I thought I would do a quick vlog. This is going to be a short vlog. Just want to see how everybody's doing. So yeah, everything's going pretty well for me. Had a very good holiday season. Went down to Florida for a few days. Hung out there. It was good to get away. So now I'm back in San Antonio. Just taking care of business because I've been so busy lately. It's Saturday afternoon and I've been running around town just taking care of errands and what have you. And I thought I would say hello. So I thought I would say hello to the YouTube family. So I thought I'd take the Goldwing out today. It's been a minute since I've ridden it. And I just did some servicing on it a couple of weeks ago. And I got a couple more things to do. Need to change out the battery. Battery's working fine, but a little preventive maintenance. I'm going to switch it out. I still have the OEM battery installed on this bike, and this bike is 4 years old, so I'm not going to wait around for it to fail. I ordered a battery from Wingstop or Wing Stuff or whatever, and I'm going to install it sometime this weekend. So yeah, things are going great. So what are your New Year's resolutions this year when it comes to riding? Are you going to ride more perhaps, or make modifications to your motorcycle? Perhaps take a long motorcycle trip? Are you going to get more involved with your local biking community? Are you going to take courses to become a better rider? So what are your New Year's resolutions when it comes to motorcycle riding? I, for one, plan on riding even more than I did last year. Last year, I think I did the most miles I've ever done in a year. I keep a spreadsheet and track the number of miles I do every month on each bike. And last year was by far my highest mileage count. So this year I'm looking at beating that. Taking some trips. Spending my weekends on the bike more than I have in the past. I've had distractions in the past, and like I said a few months ago, I've got rid of those distractions in my life. So yeah, that's one resolution I'm going to keep. If something or someone doesn't bring value, don't even deal with it. Keep your life uncluttered if you can. All right, let's go. They riding behind semis. But yeah, those are some of my resolutions. Ride more, take more trips, perhaps get involved with the local biking community a little bit more than I have in the past. For the most part, I'm a loner, but there are a few good groups out there. and just enjoy. I'm gonna maybe do another track day this year. I've been pretty good with maintaining my own bikes, learning a lot more when it comes to maintenance, doing it myself. So I want to become even better at it this year. Yeah, I'm very excited about 2024. So I took the back roads to the motorcycle dealership to get my air filter, but I decided to take I-10 back to San Antonio. Man, this Goldwing is so freaking planted, so solid. In a way, it's too perfect, if that makes any sense. And let's get away from this truck. So yeah, I need to do a review on this Insta360 X3. Bought it right before the New Mexico camping trip, and I've got to say I'm very happy with this camera. Unfortunately, about a month ago I damaged the lens, so I had to take it back, send it back to the Insta360 folks to repair it. So they wound up sending me a new one back for hardly anything, so I was very happy about that. But it is an outstanding camera, lots of capability in this little camera. And for my helmet camera, I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 4, and I need to review that as well. Also a very good camera. Alright, a little traffic here, a little slow traffic. So as you can see, the area is pretty crowded today. Not necessarily I-10, but all the stores and shops. And look at this fool. What are you doing, dude? Are you paying attention? Oh my God, what an idiot. Did you see that? So yeah, folks, let me give you an update on the BMW S1000XR. I got the break-in service done. Dynamic mode is unlocked. And let me tell you, that bad boy is a beast. I think the next motovlog will be on the S1000XR. And I also had it ceramic coated, protect the paint. It was somewhat expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's a great looking bike, and it performs so well. By far the best performing bike I've ever owned. Can't really talk to the reliability, but yet anyway. But in terms of performance, oh my God, that thing will blow your freaking mind. So yeah, folks, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to say Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great holiday. And stay safe out there. Take care of each other. Be nice to each other. And I will talk to you real soon. Peace.